Well, as you can see, there's a light way ahead. That's the end of the road. When we pass the creek, that'll be the end of the dirt road. And then we'll be in town, not in the county. I still wish you could smell the mist. It's so pretty. It'd be kind of cool if something jumped out after me right now, huh? Disaster on film. We're coming up to the creek now. This would be a good road to make a Halloween thing on. Yep, here's the creek. Not that you'll be able to see it. It's down there. You hear that frog? Okay, I'm going to shut this off for now. I'm getting off the dirt road.